Well, good evening. It's your buddy Ryan here. I just wanted to give you a little look at these two pooches here we have on the Moondance homestead that were just recently labeled so untrainable they would need to have one-on-one sessions with the trainer that the uh, doggy daycare they go to when we go out of town recommended. So he said they're so untrainable that he needs to intervene. Let's take a look at these dogs. You take a seat. Sit. Sit, Daisy. Good girl. Now stay. Looky here. You stay. And you're going to leave it. Stay. You leave it. Okay. Rosie, Daisy, stay. Stay. You leave it. Okay. Totally untrainable, am I right?